Hello? How come it works here? Do you hear? Yes, yes, yes. I don't know. Sign out then back in. Okay, I'm gonna sign out. I'm gonna try to do this again. You guys still don't hear me, I guess, right? It works? Oh, you guys hear me now? Oh my god, that was annoying. So yeah, Aurora is currently in the green. When I checked it this morning, we were in the red, but right now Aurora is up 0.26% in the pre-market. Afria is now up 0.74, so they're pushing forward. Tilray is now in the green, so in the morning when I checked, all these companies were in the red, but now they're in the green. Tilray is now up 0.33%, so no major movements, but they seem to be doing good already. 0.94 in the green for Hexo. Chrono seems to be the big winner in the pre-market, up 3.79%. Also, thank you guys for being patient. I don't know what was going on with my sound. Yes, we got sound. We finally got some sound. Oh man, I don't know what was going on. Yes, it's working. Thank you guys for all your patience. So we seem to be in the green right now, pre-market. Also, Aurora Cannabis is announcing earnings today. So that's going to determine a lot of what's going to happen post-market today. Let's look at Apple, Amazon, all these companies, these big companies, how they're doing in the pre-market. So Apple right now in the pre-market, they're actually in the green too. Let's take a look at Google real quick. Google is in the red in the pre-market. I just want to see how Amazon's doing. Usually FANG stocks move the market as well. So Amazon's in the green, up 1% for Amazon. How's Microsoft doing? Microsoft is currently, yeah, it's in the green. It looks like we're gonna have a green Monday, but this could easily go either way. We could easily have a very green morning and then immediately have a downfall from there, or this could be the beginning of a good morning and a good afternoon. So we might just have a good day. It looks green already, but it could easily reverse. We don't know yet. Yes, we do have sound. Do you guys hear me or no? Kyle, I'm not sure if you hear me. Everyone else says they hear me. Um, okay, working, working, working. Yes, yes, yes. Dennis, we love you. I love you guys too. Very exciting day. Yes, today is a very exciting day. Aurora will be announcing earnings after the markets close at 4 o'clock. And then at 6 p.m., they have a press conference. I'm going to try to do the press conference live if I have time and if I'm home. I have to take the puppies to the vet today, so that will all depend when I'm done. When will T God go over $5? Oh, that's a tough one. Honestly, T God has been they made a nice run up to 4 and then they quickly immediately declined after that. I'm guessing you're talking 5 Canadian. It's tough. Honestly, I think T God is a long-term hold because right now they don't have that much production. They're like kind of in the work, like they're just getting started. So once everything's up and running, anything's possible because you've seen them go all the way up to $10 before. Obviously, right now they're near their 52-week low. I think it's gonna be a slow struggle for T God, but once they have everything up and running, I would say in less than in around a year maybe. Who knows? It all depends, but it's we're not that far off from $5. Last time we hit $5 was around November, but T God, it's I think you got to be really patient with T God. There's a lot of things going on with that company, but since they are organic, I do see a lot of potential with T God. So let's see. Yes, yes, T God. Sounds good. We hear you. Yes. How are the puppies doing? The puppies are doing really good. 4 of them are very chunky, and then one of them's a little skinny. So I'm taking them to the vet today, and hopefully everything's good. I bought it. What you bought T God at 288? Yeah, you could. I've been swing trading T God. I've been swing trading Namaste. They've all been very good for swing trades because of the volatility. Honestly, the marijuana industry has been very good for swing trades in my case, but a lot of people are just holding long term, which will pay off in the long term. Aurora Cannabis, let's look at them again. Aurora Cannabis is now up 0.53, so it looks like we keep pushing forward in the pre-market. So we might, well, we for sure are gonna have a good morning. Afria is up 0.74 in the pre-market. Tilray is only up 0.33. Hexo is now up 0.94, so Hexo's pushing forward in the pre-market. Kronos is now up 4.04% in the pre-market. So it's looking good right now in the pre-market for the marijuana industry. Even for FANG stocks, it's looking good. Canopy's only up 0.04 in the pre-market. Um, let's see what you guys have. If you have, anything going on. iSolf. I thought you said. I'll take a look at them right now. Um, let's see. If you want my predictions, you have to watch my videos and subscribe. I figure out how to do that. Let's see. iSolf. Let's take a look at them real quick. I don't know if they have a pre-market. Some of these companies that you request, they might not have pre-market trading. So iSolf probably won't have pre-market, but we'll see. So yeah, there's no movement in the pre-market. But right now, if we look at their technical analysis, it's a sell, a strong sell, and a strong sell. 1 minute, it's a sell, a strong sell. I've said many times, never bet your money on technical analysis, but it is kind of scary seeing a strong sell, strong sell. But if you look at these charts, they do seem to be at the bottom of their 52-week low. And I like to pick up companies like that, but you would have to find out why they had such a downfall. So this is a healthcare pharmaceutical company, so they probably got affected by the marijuana industry. But I do like their market cap, 45 million, shares outstanding, 39 million, small market cap, small amount of shares outstanding. It's going to make it a very volatile company. Price to revenue is very good, 2.1. Price to sales, 3.1. Obviously, no price to earnings because they're not profitable yet. It's not a bad company, and they are near the bottom of their 52-week low. So I would see more upside versus downside. That is for iSolf, which is Isodiol International Inc. Ticker symbol ISOLF. It's not a bad company, that's for sure. But I don't know. They have been on a nice downfall, so it is like catching a falling knife. But it is a good company to add to your watch list. I do have them on my watch list, so I'll be keeping an eye on them. Let's see what's next. I guess I'll know Aurora. Yeah, I did take a look at Aurora. Aurora right now is up in the pre-market, so it does look like we're gonna have a green morning. Because right now, let's take a look at them again. Aurora is currently up. Let's see. 0.53%. So I think they keep pushing forward. We're gonna look at their technical analysis. Aurora is now a buy, a strong buy, and a strong buy. 1 minute analysis. It's a sell, a buy, and a strong buy. I think Aurora is gonna have a green day today. It's tough. It's tough to call it just because of the pre-market, but we're already pushing forward. We went from at around 8:50. I checked the pre-market. Aurora was in the red, and then when I started this live stream, they went up by 0.2%, and now they're up 0.53. So when this live stream ends, we're gonna see if they continue to push forward. It might just be a good morning, and then they reverse, or it might be the beginning of good things to come, and we're gonna have a good green day today. So who else watches this while working for the man? If you're gonna watch TV, this is how you do it. That's good to hear, guys. It's good to see everyone joining. 108 people at my live stream right now. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, guys. Help support my channel. 48 North. So I actually like 48 North right now because they had a nice red day. I'm not sure. I might be getting two companies confused. Let me make sure it's the right company. And I might start a position with 48 North. No, they went up 12%, so it's definitely not 48 North. It might have been a different company I'm talking about. So yeah, 48 North is on fire, but I never like to chase a stock personally because what goes up usually comes back down. So if there is a better buying position with 48 North, I will definitely start a position with them. But as of now, they've just been too hot. I do like their valuation, $71 million market cap, 79 million shares outstanding. So it's going to be a very volatile company. I don't like their price to revenue at 74. So that's what I don't really like right now. But I do like 48 North. But right now they're too hot, and I would never chase a stock that's been on fire like that. Great expectations for Aurora. Yes. I'm hoping they announce 60 million in gross revenue. But it's going to be tough because they've already announced that they're going to announce 50 to 55 million dollars in gross revenue. They were expected to announce 67, so that's already below expectations. It's going to be tough, but we might see like one red day after their earnings, and then reality will kick in because either way, if they get 50 million in gross revenue, that still beats their last quarter by almost double. So it's gonna be a tough call. But let's keep looking at Aurora since it seems to be like they're having a good pre-market right now. Aurora right now, let's see. So last time they were up 0.53. Oh no, now they're up 0.4. So they slowly declined a little in the pre-market. Let's 48 North as well. Bought it back a while. Well, if you bought 48 North a while ago, then you're sitting on the green right now, on some green. What price would you buy T God? I wouldn't buy T God unless it's at least under $3.20 max. In the lower $3 range, or anything below $3 is a deal. But anything above $3.50, $4, then I feel like you might be overpaying unless you plan on holding for like 5 to 10 years, because I feel like T God will eventually one day be a $10 stock again. But if you're looking at a short term under 3.20, under $3, I would buy T God. Kiran will be a $10 stock. I believe it. Neurosis is one of the biggest supporters of Kiran, and it's for good reason. They've been on fire. Kiran has been on fire. But you always have to make sure to do your homework, make sure you do your due diligence. Never invest in a company just because we're talking about it, even though I have faith in Neurosis, confidence in Kiran. So yeah, Kiran is doing, let's just look at their technical analysis real quick. They're a buy, and a strong buy. 1 minute, they're a buy. So according to technical analysis, Kiran is a buy. They did have a red day, and it does look like they've been, they lost some, they've been on a downfall. Hold on, let's just look at the 5 minute charts. These charts are ugly. So yeah, Kiran went all the way down from $2.40, and now they're sitting at 194. So who knows? Maybe they might be having a little correction, creating a nice little buying opportunity. But yes, Kiran has been on fire. Let's see what else you guys have. Kiran will be a $10 stock. Medman, MRMD, quick money for the day is Avalon, ticker AVCO, is now up 30%. Is that in the pre-market? Okay. I'm going to try to look at all these companies real quick. So let's look at Madman real quick, how they're doing. We have 7 minutes till the market opens. Unfortunately, I wasted a lot of time because my mic was not working. So this is going to be a crappy pre-market show because, yeah, I wasted a lot of time. So Madman right now, technical analysis, it's a neutral, a sell, and a strong sell. I do like how they're near the bottom of their charts right now. From the looks of it, it does look like they hit a bottom. This actually looks like they hit a nice resistance here. So this might be a good opportunity, buying opportunity for Madman. But then if you look at it before 2019, they did go as low as $2.69. It's a tough call. Let's look at their market cap real quick. Market cap, they're in the billions, 1.38. Shares outstanding, 441 million. Price to sales, 34. Price to book, 12. Their financials aren't really that great. It is a tough call, but I do like how they're at the bottom here, and they do seem to have a nice little support line at around $3. So it's a nice little gamble. I do like the company though, especially at these prices. It's not bad at all. So let's look at what else you guys are. MRMD. Let's try to. We have 5 minutes till the market's open, guys. MRMD. I guess you're talking about Merimed. MRMD currently sitting at $4, down 3.38% on Friday. It looks like they're near the top of their 52-week range. They're in the upper half of their 52-week range. Currently a sell, a buy. 1 minute, a sell. Let's look at their market cap, 833 million. Shares outstanding, 203 million. 83 price to revenue, 137 price to sales. It's a little overvalued. This one, it's a tough call. It's a coin toss. Holy crap. So yeah, I personally wouldn't invest in that company. Okay, so someone says something's gonna be on fire. AVCO. Let's take a look at them right now. He said they're up 30% in the pre-market, and let's see how they're doing. AVCO. So Avalon Global Corp. I guess that's what you're talking about. Let's take a look at Avalon. So Avalon right now, yeah, he's right. 30% in the pre-market right now. But usually, sometimes when a company is up that big in the pre-market, you're gonna see that nice increase and then slowly decline throughout the day. So I would not jump on this company just yet, but they are having a good pre-market right now. They're the hottest company in the pre-market. Thanks for calling this company out. AVCO up 30% in the pre-market. Market cap 346 million. Shares outstanding 73 million. I like the small amount of shares. Ooh, price to revenue 225, price to sales 321. So they are a little overvalued right now, but they are up 30%. So who knows? They might keep pushing forward throughout the day. But yeah, okay, SHMP. Any thoughts? What about CBIS? Okay, I'm gonna try to look at both of those companies right now. Let's start off with the first request, CBIS, and then we'll. So Cannabis Science. Let's take a look at Cannabis Science. Uh, they are a penny stock, so that already makes it a high risk stock. Near the bottom of the 52-week range, so that's not bad. 116 million. Oh, I don't like that. 2.5 billion shares outstanding. A penny stock that has billions of shares outstanding. Wow, and price to revenue 16,000, price to sales 12,000. Like those are ridiculous financials. So I personally would never. There's too many risks, too much shares outstanding. Price to revenue is way too high. Price to sales way too high, and it's a penny stock. It's just too many risks in my opinion. But who knows? You could easily make money from this company. They do seem to be right. They do seem to have hit a nice little correction here, so they could push forward. But right now, I think it's a little overvalued, especially with those price to sales. So SHMP. Let's try to look at them. 2 minutes till the market's open, guy. SHMP. Um, SHMP. So they went up 51% on Friday. So just like that, I would never chase this stock unless you see them decline 50% today. Wow, pre-market they're up 27%. So this company is on fire. They went up 50% on Friday. Pre-market they're up 27%. Let's look at their financials. Market cap is 84 million. So even though they had so much gains, their market cap is still somewhat small, but they are a penny stock. Shares outstanding 100 million, not bad. A buy, a strong buy. Let's look at this. I want to see what their price to revenue and price to sales. There's no information on this website when it comes to price to sales. This company is on fire, but I personally would not chase this stock. 1 minute till the markets opens, guys. But yeah, that's a really good stock. It's a hot stock, that's for sure. What does Aurora report? What time? They report at 4 p.m. So as soon as the markets close, Aurora will be reporting. I'm sorry I couldn't read all your messages. Smash the like. Yes, Neurosis, thank you. Smash the like, guys. Thank you guys for joining. We have 1 more minute till the markets open. From the looks of it, Aurora is in the green in the pre-market, but who knows how the day will continue. I'm guessing it's going to be a green day today because all these companies seem to be in the green right now. I'm going to take one last look at Aurora Cannabis in the pre-market. Aurora Cannabis is now up 0.13, so that means they're slowly declining in the pre-market. That might not be a good thing. They went up from being 0.4 to 0.3. Now they're only up 1.3%, 0.13% in the pre-market. So who knows how it's gonna go? It seems to me like they're slowly declining in the pre-market right now. We're gonna find out once the markets open. 1 minute till the market opens. What's up, Armando? What's up, everyone? Thank you guys for joining. 112 people here. Don't forget to leave me a like. And markets are open, guys. Go check your portfolios. Go check the markets. Have a good one. Don't forget to leave me a like. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. I'm still here.